Very few people know about Harishchandragarh, which is a hill fort in Ahmednagar district of Maharashtra at a height of 4,665 feet. It has played a major role in guarding and controlling the surrounding region. The fort is quite ancient. The various Puranas like Matsya Purana, Agni Purana and Skanda Purana have many references of Harishchandragarh. The fort is believed to have been built in the 6th century during the rule of Kalachuri dynasty. The various construction on the fort and in the surrounding region indicates the existence of diverse culture. There are many ancient caves and temples here, some of which are permanently submerged in water. Now we will talk about Kedareshwar temple, which is a very old cave temple in this area. The river Mangal Ganga originates from this place. Inside this cave, there is a very old lingam, which is about 5 feet tall. The lingam is almost always surrounded by water. One needs to swim through ice-cold water to reach the lingam. But there is something inexplicable about this temple. There are 4 pillars built around the lingam, of which 3 are broken from the bottom. The broken pillars are hanging without any support. This is possible because the whole structure is made out of one single rock. The local people believe that the columns are images of Yuga or time, specifically Satya, Treta, Dapar and Kali Yuga. According to them, only one pillar will collapse every yuga due to divine intervention. Every time a pillar collapses, a yuga ends. If this last pillar collapses, it will mark the end of the present yuga. That is, the world will end. But historians do not agree with this theory. According to them, it was built only in the 6th century. But microlithic artifacts have been discovered in this area. This proves that human beings inhabited this area even in the prehistoric period. According to the locals, this temple is much older. More evidence have been found of even older structures in Harishchandragarh. Other notable places of interest in Harishchandragarh are Saptatirtha Pushkarni, Kokankada, Taramati Peak, caves on Harishchandragarh, Nageshwar Temple and Temple of Harishchandreshwar.